were dealing with the COVID-19 outbreak, with the closure of our courts, with the lack of a bench of associate judges, and we didn't have a process for replacing judges either, because Judge Carter had been here for 30 years. With that said, I'm proud of the way that Doraville rose to the occasion. We appointed a diverse committee of judges and legal experts who were able to make a recommendation of a panel of judges to swear in to you tonight, before you tonight. I'd like to thank the committee that worked with our city manager to make these recommendations: Albert Boulay, Esquire, Judge Al Wong, Judge Jane Morrison, and Judge Angela Duncan, who's with us this evening. Thanks to their efforts, the city will have a diverse new panel of judges who are a good representation of Doraville's population and who will provide a bench of leadership that we can look to in the future when the need arises. These three judges represent the inclusive city that Doraville is striving to be. I appreciate them and ask you to join me in wishing them a warm welcome to our city. And with that, I'm going to call Judge Angela Duncan up to swear them in. Thank you. Woo!
My name is Judge Angela Duncan, and I am the Superior Court Judge in Gwinnett County. However, that's a new appointment. I started January the 9th of 2020. Prior to that, I started in many municipalities, including here in Doraville. I had the honor of serving the City of Doraville from 2004 to 2014. I was in the City of Chambly from 1999 until 2020. I also served in Suwanee, Snellville, and Norcross. So I've had the opportunity to serve with many municipalities, and it's been a great honor. And without cities like Doraville, I wouldn't be where I am today. Most importantly, though, today is about Vanessa Koski and Chong Kim. And I can honestly say to all of you that I've known them both for quite some time. It's been my pleasure to watch Vanessa grow as a young attorney. She's a skilled trial lawyer in both criminal and civil, and she's had many cases in front of me in Chambly, Doraville, and in Gwinnett County. So congratulations, Vanessa. I'm very proud of you. Chong and I know each other because we both served as magistrates. I was a magistrate judge in Gwinnett County from 2004 to 2020. And we met each other at many conferences, and then she, of course, appeared in front of me here in the City of Doraville. So our history goes back as well. And we've had the opportunity to consult about litigants in front of us in many different cases. And what I've always enjoyed is her perspective from the bench. And it's helped me grow as a judge as well. And Chong, I want to say congratulations. I'm very happy for you.
Woo!
Mayor, I'd like to thank you for asking me to do this honor here today. It is not one that I take lightly. And I remember all the times that I've been sworn in somewhere, what it meant to me. And so I wanted to leave you both before I swear you in with the judge's prayer. My phone doesn't recognize me with the mask on. This is, I have this prayer outside my courtroom, and especially on days when I have a really heavy case coming in that I know will be a struggle for the litigants and the court alike, I read this before I go onto the bench. So I wanted to share it with you. It's called A Prayer for Judges. I pray that for the glory of God and the pursuit of His justice, I may be trustworthy with confidences, keen in study, accurate in analysis, correct in conclusion, able in argument, honest with all, courteous to adversaries, ever attentive to conscience. Sit with me at my desk and listen with me to my clients' tales. Read with me in my library and stand always beside me, so that today I shall not, to win a point, lose my soul. And that's by St. Thomas More. Chong, if I could call you forward. I, Chong Kim,
I, Chong Kim,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute the office
that I will faithfully execute the office
of Municipal Court Judge
of Municipal Court Judge
of the City of Doraville,
of the City of Doraville.
and will, to the best of my ability,
I will, to the best of my ability,
support and defend the Constitution
support and defend the Constitution
of the United States,
of the United States,
the Constitution of the State of Georgia,
the Constitution of the State of Georgia,
the Charter,
the Charter,
ordinances,
ordinances,
and regulations
and regulations
of the City of Doraville.
of the City of Doraville.
I am not the holder
I am not the holder
of any unaccounted for public money
of any unaccounted for public money
due this state
to this state
or any political subdivision
or any political subdivision
or authority thereof.
or authority thereof.
I am not the holder
I am not the holder
of any office of trust
of any office of trust
under the government of the United States,
under the government of the United States,
any other state,
any other state,
or any foreign state,
or any foreign state,
which I,
which I,
by the law
by the law
of the State of Georgia,
of the State of Georgia,
am prohibited from holding.
and prohibited from holding.
I am otherwise qualified
I am otherwise qualified
to hold said office
to hold said office
according to the Constitution
according to the Constitution
and the laws of the State of Georgia.
and the laws of the State of Georgia.
I will truthfully,
I will truthfully,
honestly,
honestly,
and faithfully
and faithfully
discharge the duties of my office.
discharge the duties of my office.
Furthermore,
Furthermore,
I will perform the duties of my office
I will perform the duties of my office
in the best interests
in the best interest
of the City of Doraville,
of the City of Doraville,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
without fear,
without fear,
favor,
favor,
affections,
affections,
reward,
rewards,
or expectation thereof.
or expectation thereof.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Judge Duncan.
That I will faithfully execute
That I will faithfully execute
the office of Municipal Court Judge
the office of Municipal Court Judge
of the City of Doraville.
of the City of Doraville.
And I will, to the best of my ability,
And I will, to the best of my ability,
support and defend
support and defend
the Constitution of the United States,
the Constitution of the United States,
the Constitution of the State of Georgia,
the Constitution of the State of Georgia,
and the Charter,
and the Charter,
ordinances,
ordinances,
and regulations
and regulations
of the City of Doraville.
of the City of Doraville.
I am not the holder
I am not the holder
of any unaccounted for public money
of any unaccounted for public money
due this state
due this state
or any political subdivision thereof
or any political subdivision thereof
or authority thereof.
or authority thereof.
I am not the holder
I am not the holder
of any office of trust
of any office of trust
under the government of the United States,
under the government of the United States,
any other state,
any other state,
or any foreign state,
or any foreign state,
which I, by the laws of the State of Georgia,
which I, by the laws of the State of Georgia,
am prohibited from holding.
am prohibited from holding.
I am otherwise qualified
I am otherwise qualified
to hold said office
to hold said office
according to the Constitution and laws of Georgia.
according to the constitutions and laws of Georgia.
I will truthfully,
I will truthfully,
honestly,
honestly,
and faithfully
and faithfully
discharge the duties of my office.
discharge the duties of my office.
Furthermore,
Furthermore,
I will perform the duties of my office
I will perform the duties of my office
in the best interest of the City of Doraville,
in the best interest of the City of Doraville,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
without fear,
without fear,
favor,
favor,
affections,
affections,
reward,
reward,
or expectation thereof.
or expectations thereof.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Your Honor.
Please join me in welcoming our new judges to the city. And that's it. Please enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you for coming out. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
She worked there with October in Doraville. So how long are you appointed, or how long can you serve? on this position?
I think until they kick me out.
더 이상 필요 없다 그럴 때까지 하실 수 있대요.
비전이나 모토?
What is your vision or what is your sort of aspiration in
My
this position?
my judicial philosophy is to treat everyone fairly, but specifically, meaning that I will hear everybody out, and I think being an immigrant myself, I'll be able to be more empathetic to people who are for the first time coming into the judicial system, the American judicial system.
자기가 이민자로서 이제 그래도 여기 도라빌 같은 데는 아직도 소수 민족들이 많잖아요. 그러니까는 그 사람들이 나의 앞에 오면은 그 사람들한테 좀 더 친절하고 그 사람들에 대해서 좀 더 관심 있고 이렇게 뭐랄까 더 잘해줄 수 있는 그런 그 마음이 있기 때문에 이제 그거에서 그렇게 행동하고 싶다라고 말씀하셨어요.
보트 하잖아요.
네.
한인 커뮤니티가
네.
보트를 너무 안 해요.
네.
보트를 꼭 해야 되는 이유가 있잖아요.
So she wants to know, like, since the election is upcoming, like, how would you encourage Korean Americans who fail to vote, you know, in terms of like their turnout numbers, or like, how would you encourage them to go out and vote?
Well, I think this election is really the most important, maybe in this country. So if you are unhappy with anything that's going on in our country, then you have to go out and vote. If you don't vote, then you are really giving up your privilege of being a citizen. Being a citizen of this great country means that we get to have a voice. And so, you know, we have to go out and vote if we are going to be taken seriously as a community.
이번 투표 너무나 중요하니까는 정말 미국 히스토리에 정말 중요한 거니까는 정말 우리가 조금이라도 어떤 불만이나 아니면 이 나라가 잘못 가고 있다라고 그렇게 생각을 한다면 정말 투표로서 그것밖에는 방법이 없다라고 이렇게